Oh, ten.
Gas, my God.
Gas, my God.
I have gas. I don't think it can go to the bar. Gas, I have gas.
Come on.
Daddy.
Anak ko, hyper na naman si Mia. Oh, how much?
It's 111. It's middle.
$2.
Yeah, 2.2 in the car.
So, nandito kami sa Hyatt Revolving Restaurant sa Dubai. So, di kami nakabisihan dahil nagkaroon ng emergency. So, nandito kami sa Revolving. So, nag-igot yung buong top ng hotel. Nakita ko yung food. So, ito yung inaabangan ko, yung oysters. Pero mukhang maliliit. And, ayun o, may malaking fish.
I'm sure.
The breast?
No, not the breast.
What do you like?
The dark meat.
So, ito na yung Christmas dinner namin. Oh, hi. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Christmas dinner namin. Anong their Filipino? The Santa Claus?
Yeah, kanina. And also the one making cookies. They let us make it for free.
Bakit? There's bayad ba dapat?
Yeah, that's Santa's running.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, may ice cream pala dyan.
Ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. And the other one. Some apples.
Plum yan. Hindi yan apple. Okay na? Tapos ka na?
I got some more. Wait, why over here?
Oh.
We got
Oh, don't put your...
Miss Kai.
Ha?
Miss.
Ah, read. That's Turkish. This is... Kuna.
Ali.
Oh.
Wargan with cream.
Ano? With cream. Ano ba?
And we got this one.
Ah, and then you tell that the ano is rotating.
And this one moves. The floor literally moves.
Don't put your hands.
So look. The guys are there and also the favorite part.
Back in Dubai. This is our 4th day sa UAE. Nandito kami ngayon sa Grand Cosmopolitan Hotel, Dubai. So, yesterday nagkaroon ng emergency. So, ngayon yung plan namin medyo hindi pa sure. Yun nga, kasi nga nadala si Mommy sa hospital and yun nga may mga findings na hindi namin na nakita. Second time na nangyari to. So I think blessing na rin na dito kami na dito rin siya na-check kasi mas advanced yung technology dito. And so yun, nandun ngayon si RV sa hospital. Nagbantay din siya natulog. So baka mamaya umuwi siya at papalitan siya ni Achi. And then, so today, ang Ang plan siguro, within the area lang, may mga bus shuttle naman dito. And malapit lang, may walking distance mall. And kung makahaba si RV, baka mag-ski kami later sa Ski Dubai. So, hindi pa kami nakabili ng ticket. Baka doon na lang kasi hindi pa namin sure kung anong plano. So, today is December 25 here in Dubai. So, sa Pinas, nasa 25 din, pero hapon na dito, 10 a.m. pa lang. So, plus 4 hours siya. So
we will play a song, Sigma Sigma?
What did we do yesterday? So, yesterday yun nga, napunta kami sa outlet mall, pero hindi na ako naka-video dahil, yun nga, nagkaroon ng emergency. Ayun, Merry Christmas, balitaan ko kayo later.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! It's good, but it's excited to be.
And then tonight your teddy bear will walk.
My still walking.
Yeah. Dapat ganun sa script kayo. Para yung bata.
So, bumibili kami ng tickets dito sa may pinagbabaan namin ng shuttle for Ski Dubai. Yan. So, sabi niya kasi mas mura dito. So, tinignan nga namin dun sa mismong Ski Dubai. 260 nga yung basic. Tapos dito, 250. So, less than 10 dirhams. So, nasa 160 pesos din yung nasave mo per person. So, di na kami kumuha ng skiing lesson. Ano lang yung basic para yung mga bata, kaya na nila. And, yun na, mahal, diba? 260. So, nasa, magkano yun? Nasa 4,000, almost 4,000 pesos. So, nandito kami sa Emirates Mall. Malapit sa hotel namin. Emirates.
What's
Sa
that? The
airline. Yeah, the airline. Emirates Airline. So, they have a mall. So, ayan, makikita nyo siya dito, nakatayo. In-offer niya sa amin. So, tinignan muna namin kung legit. Sabi naman ng nagbebenta sa Dubai, Ski Dubai, is legit naman yung mga yun. So, yun.
So we are in Ski Dubai.
Thank you, Arno. So, kinuha namin yung pinaka-basic. 260. Bobsled, tumbling, tubing run, storm. Ano?
Unlimited sa atin, yung pinakamahal.
250?
1544.
Wow. 1544? Explain mo nga. 750 yung 15
Hindi
dito?
ko sure magawa na ako
Eh, magkano binayad mo?
250 each.
Oo nga. Eh, di 750. Plus sa'yo.
Hindi ko alam magkano.
1K.
1K for 4.
Tama. Tapos dito 1.5. Unlimited.
Ata.
Nakuha pala namin ng 1.5. Unlimited na. Premium. I mean, 250 times. 750 lang nakuha namin. Sobrang mura. Tapos, unlimited. Dito, 1.5 sa mismong area. So, pag bibili kayo ng ticket dito, hanapin nyo yung entrance na yun. So, may bus. babaan ng bus.
Pwede bang brand?
Choosy. Oh, get a gloves. Ano, uwiin na rin namin yan? After makunin natin sa shop, papasok na tayo. Siscan lang nila yung bracelet, yung wristband.
Mine doesn't have it.
Here. So, kuha na kami ng boots.
What is for you? Calculator. Ang dami mo. Yung may calculator ba yun?
I can bring it to school.
Hindi mo kasama camera.
Okay.
Pwede daw sabi na natin.
They're smaller shoes.
Anong smaller shoes?
They're smaller shoes.
Ako
Shopping. Bray! Yan ang kakasya sa'yo. Yan yung largest? Yan yung pinakamalaki?
What? What?
Ay, yan lang pala.
I can literally do this all night. I literally do it. Some of that dopamine, you know what I mean, babe. Give me some of that dopamine, you know what I need, baby. Oh yeah, dopamine, that dopamine, give me that dopamine. I said we here, we ain't gon' change, and by the end. You know my name. You can say what you want, yeah. Feeling it, you know what I want, girl. Say what you want,
Mahal niya. For the signature. So here it's like 3 bedroom, the inner parts 5 to 7 bedrooms, and the tip that is 7 to 10. So dito tayo sa village kung saan yung island nakalabas sa country na parang palm na shaping. So far, this canopy can cost around 1.5. So, akit kami doon. Para mag-time yung island.
Ano yan? Office building ba yan?
Construction began. The first feature, the outer break wall. The break wall stretches 5.3 kilometers east to west and 5 kilometers north to south. The internal palm shape stretches 3.9 kilometers east to west and 4 kilometers north to south. The break wall runs 11 kilometers and protects the inner elements of the man-made island.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Interactive Room. Step by step, we will complete the Palm Jumeirah. When you find a blue footprint, the floor is just need to stand.
Inside water depth is 20 meters. 1 cars daily. That is over 1 billion cars a
Ilan
year.
hours mag-travel pag ganyan? Kami yan. Ilan hours mag-travel isang ikot? Mabilis lang yan.
The Palm monorail runs the length of the palm,
Hindi, pag
featured with
isang
5 stations
dire-diretso.
connecting key destinations.
Minutes lang.
Mi, dito kayo. Dito.
Wow.
Mi, hindi pa sila tapos.
Main road doon. Ah. Patingin mo, patingin. Show the video. What's yours?
It's mine.
Oh, what is it? Show me.
This is mine.
Show mo. What is that?
It's a boat.
Patingin, show mo. Baliktad eh.
It's like this.
Ano yun sa'yo? Same? Maggie?
Yeah. I only tasted the coffee, the one that is coffee. Coffee? No? Because Philippines coffee, America. So there's like a fake racing case in Philippines.
There is a fake one?
Nakakilala kaya.
Sino kasama ni Mami sa Shake Shack? Ayun siya, oh. Tama, akala niya kasi konti lang.
Yes, sakto lang, that's the kids. Dumamig because of the price.
So, pinagkaiba lang niya may bread. Dito ba sila sikat sa tinapay? Hindi, sa sauce. Ano special sa sauce? Kasi maliit, sabi mo maliit. Sauce daw yun. Hindi magugusto ng butter.
I need water.
I have water. Mahal naman. Pero mahal naman talaga ang cheese, diba? sa place na to?
Global Village.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Global Village. So, dumating kami ng 4 and then uwi na kami 6:30 call time namin. Sobrang kulang yung time kasi sobrang laki nito. So, puro Tiangge siya na saka madaming food. Iba-ibang countries. So, yan sa likod namin. Mga iba-ibang countries. Gaya na kami sa Iran, may Iraq, may Egypt, may KSA. Ano may KSA?
KSA? Kazakhstan?
And then, meron din carnival dito. Madaming rides. So, yung entrance fee is nasa 25 pesos. Dirhams lang. Ito na ba yung exit? Dirhams lang.
Ay, hindi naman tayo dito umexit.
Sa ano, sa Big Ben tayo pumasok. Big Ben. Dun yun. So, ayun. Ang nabili ni Eunice ay saffron. So, 120.
100
Ginawa
lang.
niya 100 dirhams.
Lang for 5.75 grams.
Okay. Yun.
Mura yun.
So,
Yun
may
na yung class A na number 1 type. Class A na saffron from Iran.
Okay.
Mas mura dito kaysa dun sa ano, yung spice market.
So, oo, mahal doon. So, first time din namin makatikim ng Turkish ice cream.
And maka-experience ng makukulit na Turkish ice cream suppers.
Wait, saan na ba tayo? Nakita ko to eh, so doon tayo. So, ito ay Egypt. Amen.
Konti lang Asian countries. Parang Japan, China, India.
Turkey is Asia.
Wait, hindi
Oo, diba? Nung pumunta nga yung...
All the way to the first floor
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
children, dedicated for children to encounter their fear and challenges. And they
I don't
they
have
a
fears
viewing
of
deck
heights.
on the second floor.
Excuse me.
Futuristic ideas, technology. So yun na po ang Museum of the Future.
Dapat kasama ka
And
dyan.
this one po is another hotel.
So, dito kami ngayon sa Museum of the Future. Hindi kami makapasok kasi hindi kami nag-book ng tickets. So, hanggang picture lang kami dito sa labas. And sa ground floor. So, ito yung labas. Ito yung best spot here. Our picture. Meaning yan is love with... Ano? Ano na meaning, Gino? Love? Love, victory, and win. Yun yung 3 pillars. So, after, yung araw na to is magpipicture-picture lang kami sa mga famous sites. And then, pupunta na kami sa safari. Nakikintay ko yun. Hindi ko yun yung pinaka-mag-gusto dito. Ayun si Guama, oh. Dito na kami sa Blue Water. Kita mo yung Cube Building. And yung Ferris wheel. Yung sa likod ko. So, daming water activities sa tapat. Para daw itong Singapore. Madaming restaurants. Alam, nakita ko McDonald's. Kami ngayon dyan sa Pak Darbar. Lebanese food. Sabi nila masarap daw. A game? Go! Hindi ko alam.
Diba? Ba't yung ba hindi nagdadasal?
Parang natin.
Chinese food pala dito.
Chinese?
Chinese. Meron sa likod. Ayun na, Chinese food. Ay, mga ano, cashew chicken. This may brain. Mother niya?
Mother mo?
Ah, mother ko.
Kasi pinasamahan niya na magbili ng sinelas.
Brata!
Mag-ano tayo, Lee?
So, pagkakain mo, may binibigay sila vegetable appetizer. So, kakatapos lang nila mag-prayer. Ano break time nila? 1 o'clock? 1 to 2? 1 to 2. 1 o'clock yung prayer time nila. So, break. Bawal mag-order. Bawal mag-work. So, yung mga lalaki pupunta sa mosque. So, kaka-order lang namin.
Yes! The call.
Let's go! Miggy, let's go!
Uy, patron! Patron!
I don't want complainer here.
Lipat ka na. Go. Go na.
It's okay.
شيلة صارة مو لا 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 هيك
Si Aya naka-seatbelt.
Aya naka-seatbelt ka na.
Ano ka ba, Aya?
Yeah.
Hindi na ba yun? Okay na ba yun?
Siyempre ko ba nag-sandun sa ano?
Bakit? Nasa loob ba tayo ng patrol o minsan?
Sa Fort Ilocanja? Sa loob tayo.
I can't wear my seatbelt.
We're here na! Oh my God. Hindi na mag-seatbelt. Hindi ko na ma-video. Oh my God. Wait lang.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Smile.
Oh yeah. Over here.
Okay, so check your photos.
Yay! Part of the...
How many PSI do you need?
Mommy, it's camel
Yeah. Camel poop?
everywhere.
Where?
The black dot.
kayo dyan, alis kayo dyan. Ay, sila daddy.
They're coming.
Oh, here. Alis dyan, Aya. Ayan na siya. Alis dyan, nag-refresh. Alis ka dyan.
Sand from Dubai.
Salt and pepper in our food, and then we'll eat steak. Ayos na yung gulong pala nila. Uy, mata nyo, mata nyo. Your eyes, your eyes. Away from the people when the wind, follow the wind. Si Adam matatamaan yan. Saan kami mag-barbecue? Camel ride. Saan? Meron ko nakitang cotton candy. Ang ganda umaga. Ha? Yung cotton candy. I don't know. Ako rin CR. Who likes to go CR? Kami. Halika na CR. CR ka hindi.
Alam mo ba, Lay? Wait, wako. Pause mo muna.
Mommy, I'm gonna get some food now. I'll show you the food.
Can I rescue?
With your car.
No, it's not.
Right. To the right.
Yeah, Miggy got mine.
Okay na, di-switch na lang kayo.
Wait na, Chope.
Yeah, you're supposed to be in the right. And Miggy stole my Fanta.
Oh, you want the one here?
Fanta pa dyan, oh! That's Dino's, so I got it, and you stole my Fanta. And you didn't even ask Adam! I just asked Fanta. Yeah, and where's Aku's Fanta? Here. Aku's?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'll get one more Fanta you like.
Ma, this is this orange juice. Fanta. Mommy! More pasta. Because you were proud. Give me more!
I am proud.
But
Pancit?
Ano yung pasta niya?
Pasta? Tomato sauce.
Masarap, please.
Authentic.
Who's sitting here?
Wala. Ikaw.
Sino naman ulam to?